Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change my Facebook password. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option, scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings and click on see more in account center. Okay, scroll down and tap on password and security. Okay, just tap on change password, click on Facebook and tap on current password, and second option new password, and third option retype new password to change password in Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.